All right, any questions?
Why are we in a paddock?
Well, where else would we study agriculture?
So, are we supposed to watch the grass grow?
There's a lot more to it than that. Ag is an adventure, a way of life, and one of the most advanced industries in Australia. The future of ag is where technology meets the land, where drones map paddocks from the sky, autonomous machines work with precision, and data helps feed millions of people. Farmers don't just drive tractors. They're welders, engineers, researchers, animal doctors, riders and operators. Working in ag means that one day you could be flying helicopters, managing livestock from above, and the next, behind the wheel of a road train, riding horses through the dust, chasing rows of crop in heavy machinery, or caring for the animals that help feed the nation.
So, what if I want to travel?
That's the best part. Skills in ag translate all around the world. You can take your career anywhere you dream, from massive feedlots to endless cotton fields, from industrial workshops to scientific labs, from sunrise starts to unforgettable sunsets. Agriculture is full of challenge, adrenaline and opportunity. It's where practical skills become lifelong careers, where innovation creates real-world solutions, where the work you do actually matters.
So, what jobs can't you do in ag?
Great question. I'll let you know if I ever find the answer.